Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS news for Monday, May 2, 2022. The Overseas Examinations Commission, OEC, has clarified that oral and practical exams are exempt from the rescheduling of CAPE and CSEC examinations. Deputy Director in charge of examinations at the CXC, Sharon Burnett, says only the written exams have been rescheduled and are now set to begin on May 23. Oral and practical exams already started on April 12. Meanwhile, the art production examinations will be conducted on their previously scheduled date. CSEC Visual Arts began today, and the CAPE Art and Design productions will begin on Monday, May 9, as these exam papers were already distributed to candidates before the announcement made by CXC. Practical examinations in music and PE and sport will also be conducted according to the arrangements that have already been finalized and circulated to schools and examiners. The revised timetables for the rescheduled written examinations will be uploaded to the CXC website, the Online Registration System, ORS, and the Student Portal. 5 more depots across the island will have access to electronic testing methods for persons applying for their provisional driver's license this financial year. Transport Minister Audley Shaw made the announcement during his recent contribution to the sectoral debate. He says under the initiative, applicants will also be able to receive their grades electronically.
As we seek to modernize our driver testing operations and also to bring trust to our operations, we have been executing the electronic testing of provisional driver's license applications.
Minister Shaw says operations for the digitization of driver's license records will also be extended to a further 7 examination depots during this financial year. This is to allow better access and analysis of driver's licensing records and to ensure greater integrity in the system. The minister adds that the motor vehicle fitness and inspection process will be strengthened by the implementation of geofencing technology.
This will ensure that there is evidence of vehicles being granted certificates of fitness, that these vehicles have in fact physically been present at the examination depots.
The Jamaica Bauxite Mining Company, JBM, is taking steps to commercialize bottled water extracted from the spring on its Ocho Rios property. Minister of Transport and Mining Audley Shaw says the project is slated to be launched in October this year. The water is to be distributed in bulk to the cruise lines that dock at the Reynolds Pier.
This innovative project will promote Jamaica's alkaline natural resource and will provide an economically viable revenue stream to the JBM. The project has been granted conceptual approval by the Public Investment Appraisal Branch.
The minister says other JBM plans include an industrial park that will involve the restoration of 3 dilapidated buildings into 60,000 square feet of modern storage facilities for commercial rental, a commercial park, and further development of the Reynolds Pier. The JBM has also earmarked 150 acres within the Lidford estate to build 500 affordable housing units, which will support the ecosystem infrastructure of the Lidford industrial and commercial park projects. This project is scheduled to start in December. Government is moving to train more healthcare workers, particularly nurses, and employ innovative ways to fill the gap in public health created by those who have migrated.
We may need to train them here and do the clinical rotation elsewhere. And that's what we are attempting to do. And in fact, we have started.
Health and Wellness Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton made the disclosure during the 12th annual Make Your Mark Middle Managers Leadership Conference held recently. He says that as the ministry confronts the future of work in public health, it is looking to pull opportunities out of the COVID-19 experience and put new arrangements in place.
So the discussions now around flexible contracts. Is it possible for a nurse to work 3 months in Miami or New York and work in Jamaica for a month or 2? Can we get institution to institutional arrangements?
And finally, watch parties will be organized to ensure Jamaicans in the diaspora who cannot return home can still enjoy this year's Jamaica 60 Grand Gala event in August. Addressing this weekend's media launch of Jamaica 60 in New York, Culture Minister Olivia Grange encouraged those living overseas to return home for Grand Gala or participate in the watch parties.
So you will be able to watch us in the National Stadium and we will be able to watch you in the various diaspora communities while we celebrate. And I must tell you that the Jamaican colors will light up Niagara Falls on the night of the 6th.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who gave the keynote address at the media launch, reiterated that Jamaica 60 is a good opportunity to take stock of our achievements and shortcomings after 6 decades of independence.
We must celebrate what we have done well, but we must think about what we haven't done well as well. And having done those two things, then we go through a process of recommittal. That for the next 60 years, as Jamaicans, whether we are on the island or spread out all over the world, we are going to commit to make Jamaica the greatest country on earth.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.